Hello beautiful soul family, and welcome to my channel. And today's video is the DIY face mask. I made the curved face mask. I used Mimi G's, where's that pattern? I had to cut out another one. I had to print out another one because the other one was, I had been using it so much I had tore it on the side. So this is the one. I will drop the link below for it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. I already have some pattern pieces cut out that I'm working on. These are the ones that's already finished. I did a Bob Marley one, a Pokemon one, a Marvel one, and I did like a solid plain one. And I did a lot more, like Paw Patrol and all that, but I made some more. These are the pieces that I had cut out. Some peacock fabric that I had left over from the last client that I just had. And these are the pieces that I had cut out, and I'm going to bounce between one sewing machine to the next. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Move this real quick. Okay, what you're going to do, you want to cut out 4 pieces, 2 for lining and 2, you want 2 for lining and you want 2 for the main pieces. What you're going to do, you're going to have right sides facing together. And this is, I'm doing the one without a filter right now. I'll do the next part. I'm doing a part 2 to this video. So the next part will be with me doing it with a filter. So what I'm going to do is do this, put it down. So go stitch forward and I'm going to back stitch. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. Go around. You hear any noise in the background? That is my husband playing the game. My sew area is in the living room. Plus in the dining room area. And back stitch because I'm at the end. Take my snips. Gonna cut that down. Cut the extra thread off. Excess thread. And what you want to do, you want to take your scissors. You want to cut down the extra trim from the seam allowance. So I'm not gonna say trim. I'm just say the excess fabric. That's what I'm saying. And make sure y'all have matching thread because I'm using white thread right now. It's not a bad thing. Make sure your thread at least match y'all. This is how it looks. This is the main pieces. Let's go to the other machine because my thread seems a little loose on that one. Okay, let's go ahead and do the lining pieces. Get y'all down a little bit so y'all can see. Get to it. Stitch forward, back. Make sure it's on a straight stitch. The tools you would need for this when making a face mask, you would need, I say you need a filter, which could be like polypropylene interface, and you use that as a filter. Or you can use, I'm not sure on what all, but I know this is a disclaimer. These are not N95 masks, so please don't think these are medical masks. These are for, for you to at least have some protection over your face, so that way you can stop touching your face so much. I know I've seen a lot of people constantly touching their face, and this will help you stop touching your face, especially if you haven't washed your hands or you're not social distancing yourself. That way, if you sneeze or you have allergies, it can keep you from, the pollen from getting in. But right now, all I'm doing is 2 layers of cotton. I'm gonna do the next video that I plan to do is the one where it has the filter in it, where you can stick. It has the pocket where you can stick the filter in. So stay tuned for that one because that one I'm shooting tomorrow. This one I decided to shoot because I know people have been asking me to shoot one of how I do my face mask. Oh yeah, for people that's you wonder what type of elastic you use, I use the 1/8 elastic. And then I had a 1-inch fold over elastic. I had bought a whole bulk of it because we really didn't have a 1/4 inch or a half elastic down here because everybody went crazy in all the stores and bought out the elastic and a lot of fabric. We had fabric here, just kind of piqued my interest, and everybody went and bought all that dang on elastic. Let's see. Okay, what we're gonna do? Oh, I'm so sorry, y'all. So you put these together after you press them. After you press the pieces to one side. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do that now. Press the pieces. I'm gonna come right back. That make sure I press my fabric to one side. All right, what I'm gonna do? Sew them together. Sew around. Next stitch. Okay. You're gonna stitch right here at the bottom. Across so you can close it off. Then what I'm gonna do, do the fold over method. I'm gonna press it again so I can get my ends closed where the casing closed where I can put my elastic in. Okay, I'm gonna turn it right side up. So you can see. One second. What I'm going to do. This is how it looks before I go press it again. I'm gonna go press it again. So that way you get a better eye view of how it looks. See, this is the casing. I'm going to sew a straight line down using my straight stitch. And the other side I'm doing the same. Do the same for the other side. Okay. What you do? Oh yeah, you can use bias tape too for like if you don't have elastic, you can substitute that as the strap for your face mask. And here we are. Voila! You have a curved face mask. So y'all can get a better view of it. I'm gonna put it on my mannequin. Wow. Yeah, excuse me. God, just broke under there. That's first. And here we are. And what you do? Like that. Excuse me, because I got a big tape pen. And you stick it through the casing right here on the side. Here, just hold off on that. Stick it all the way through, y'all. Stick it all the way through. And then you flip through, even it up. Take the pin off. And then you're going to zigzag, a narrow zigzag stitch close the ends off together. And this is how the strap should look once you close the ends off together. I'm Chelle Donald with Chelle Donald LLC, and thank you for tuning into my channel. And if you like what I'm making, like the content that I'm making, hit that bell below to get notifications of when I make new content, and subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think. Peace out.